everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be randomly drawing the winners from last week's Jelly Wax Melt giveaway. So good luck to everyone who entered, and be sure to subscribe even if you don't win, because I'm going to be doing another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully I can hit it by the end of the year. But thank you guys for all the support, and thank you for 500 subscribers. Before we get started with drawing the winners, I just want to say if the same person gets drawn twice, that won't count, because we want to draw 3 separate winners so 3 people can pick which wax melts they want. And I'll have all the winners in the description and also in the YouTube comments. So just be sure, if I don't have your email already, to reply with your email so that way I can get your address and which jelly wax melt you want, so that way I can get it sent over to you. So without any further ado, actually let me shuffle these names a little bit. And then as you can see on the side, I just have which way that they entered from. So now let's draw. So the first winner will be Rickard3518, and this person followed me on Instagram. So Rickard3518, I'll probably message you on Instagram as well and in the comments. So Rickard3518. And I might put a picture of the profile right here, so that way Rickard knows that they won. So let's remove that and draw again. So the next winner is Meet Miss Mari. I think this person also commented on YouTube, so congratulations, Meet Miss Mari. I will tag you in the YouTube comments as well as messaging you on Instagram. So now let's get into the final name. Drum roll, please. Congratulations to Tara Spees. You followed me over on TikTok, and I think you might have followed me on something else as well. Oh, you follow me on Instagram as well, so I'll shoot you a message on Instagram. So congratulations to the 3 winners, Rickard3518, Meet Miss Mari, and Tara Spees. Just be sure to put your email in the comments below, and I will be sure to get a hold of you and send over your jelly wax melt of your choice. Thank you everyone for entering the giveaway, and if you didn't win, don't worry, like I said, just be sure to subscribe, and at 1,000 subscribers I will be doing another giveaway, and it will probably be a bigger giveaway. So be sure to be subscribed when that happens. But thank you everyone for all the support. Thank you for 500 subscribers. Congratulations to the winners, and I will see you guys next week.